Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up to iCloud or Google Drive so you can restore if something shifts. Next, make sure you can sign into your device account and 2FA, you'll need it when confirming region changes. Once done, check that you have a payment method for the new country or be ready to add one. This prevents store lockouts. Finally, keep Wi-Fi on and note any active VPNs, because they alter detected region and will affect steps you're about to take. Now you change the device region and align the App Store. On the phone, go to Language and Region and set the target country so dates, formats, and services adapt. For Android, open Google Play account, then Country and Profiles, switch to the new profile and add a local payment method if prompted. This unlocks region content. For iPhone, go to Media and Purchases under your Apple ID, View account, and change country/region. After updating both, make sure to restart the device, finish by restarting your phone so all system and store changes apply. You should then open the app stores, update or re-download apps that differ by region, and sign into services to verify content availability. Make sure billing addresses match the new country and only re-enable VPN if you need a different IP later. If something goes wrong, for example, the store still shows the old region, clear the store cache or remove the old payment method, then retry. If issues persist, contact account support and provide your account email and recent activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.